Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you navigate the jungles of consumerism with a machete of knowledge and a compass of sarcasm. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers. On the left, we have the ELEGOO Saturn III, a 12K MSLA beast. And on the right, the speed demon itself, the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo. Buckle up because this is going to be a ride wilder than a roller coaster in a hurricane. All right, let's kick things off with the most critical factor, price. ELEGOO Saturn III is priced at $399. Meanwhile, the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo comes in at a wallet-friendly $279. So if you're looking to save some green, the Kobra 2 Neo is your new best friend. But hold on, because price isn't everything, right? Sometimes you get what you pay for, and sometimes you pay for what you get. Next up, let's talk about the heart and soul of these printers, printing speed. The Saturn III might be sipping its coffee a bit too slowly with a speed of up to 70 millimeters per hour. Meanwhile, the Kobra 2 Neo is like that one friend who had too many energy drinks, boasting a max speed of 250 millimeters per second. That's right, the Kobra prints so fast, you might need a seatbelt just to watch it. It's like comparing a marathon runner to a cheetah on a treadmill. Time to dive into the techie stuff. Print quality. The Saturn III comes in hot with its 12K LCD screen. That's 11,520 by 5,120 pixels of pure, unadulterated detail. It's like having an IMAX theater in your living room. On the other hand, the Kobra 2 Neo isn't slacking either, with cool features like a new integrated extruder and a 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan. It's like a wind tunnel for your prints, ensuring they cool down faster than a hot potato in a snowstorm. Reviewers say that the ELEGOO Saturn III delivers high-quality prints right out of the box, while the Kobra 2 Neo might need a bit of tweaking but still offers excellent results. Now, let's talk about software. The Saturn III comes with VoxelDance Tango slicing software. It's got 3 modes: static, dynamic, and high speed. It's like having 3 different gears on your bike. Except, for 3D printing. The Kobra 2 Neo, on the other hand, is all about that ELEGOO 2.0 automatic leveling. It's like having a personal assistant that makes sure your prints are always spot on. No more playing the guessing game with manual leveling. Reviewers appreciate the ease of use of both softwares, though the auto-leveling feature of the Kobra 2 Neo is a standout. Printing volume, anyone? The Saturn III has a larger printing volume at 218.88 millimeters by 122.88 millimeters by 250 millimeters. It's like upgrading from a studio apartment to a penthouse suite. The Kobra 2 Neo might be a bit more modest, but it's got enough space to handle most of your 3D printing dreams. Let's just say, it's not the size of the printer, but how you use it. Reviewers love the larger volume of the Saturn III for bigger projects, while the Kobra 2 Neo is praised for its compact yet capable design. Last but not least, customer service. ELEGOO promises to reply within 24 hours. So if you've got questions, they've got answers, fast. ANYCUBIC, however, brings the heat with a 1-year after-service, a 3-month warranty on the print head, and 6 months on the heated bed. Plus, lifetime technical support. It's like having a superhero on speed dial. Who doesn't want that? Reviewers have mixed feelings about both. ELEGOO's customer service can be hit or miss, while Reviewers generally find the ELEGOO Saturn 3 to be a reliable and high-quality printer with excellent print detail, though its customer service can sometimes be lacking. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo is praised for its speed and ease of use, though it may require some adjustments for optimal print quality. Both printers offer great value in their own ways, making them solid choices depending on your specific needs. So there you have it, folks. The ELEGOO Saturn 3 and the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo, two titans in the world of 3D printing. Whether you're looking for high-speed thrills or detailed masterpieces, there's something here for everyone. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our future videos. Until next time, keep printing smart and stay fabulous. Product links are in the description.